Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to connect your Microsoft Teams to N8N. Okay, so first is you just have to log into your account. Then after that, right here, okay, so let me just close this section. You have this plus icon at the top left of your screen. So just simply click on this one. So we have here workflow, credentials, or project. For example, we are going to create a workflow and then click on personnel. Okay, so here, let me just delete these options. All right, now right here, just have to add your first step. So simply click on it. And then here, I'm just going to choose this trigger manually or on app events or runs the flow when something happens in an app like Telegram, Notion, or Airtable. So for example, we are going to choose this one, right? And then you have here your options. Okay, so for example, you are going to search for teams, and then let's try if we have that right here. So here it is. So here we can choose any of these triggers. So for example, we are going to select on new chat message. That's right. And then here for the credentials, we are just going to create new credential. That's right. And then we have to connect our account. Okay, so connect my account. That's right. And then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, and then right here, you just have to accept this option and then click on accept. Then after that, you'll be able to see this connection successful. So you just have to close this section after that. All right. So account has been connected. So let's just close this section. And then here we have the trigger on. Okay, and then here we can also toggle the switch on for this one. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have the Microsoft Teams trigger. And then the next thing that you're going to do is to add here another, okay? And then the next thing that you're going to do here is to add your next step. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.